was one of the first things we said when we started talking about its premiere. We're like, we have to have a big Hollywood premiere. We want it to feel like a golden age Hollywood film. And so where else could we do it but the Chinese theatre? I mean, it's iconic and so steeped in Hollywood history.
All of us that make movies, you dream of a Hollywood premiere at the Chinese theatre. It's just, we care so much about the cinematic experience. We really, really, really care about people sitting in the dark and experiencing a movie together. And so to do it here, where it's like the home of movies.
There's a sort of a tribute to sort of old Hollywood films in this rendition of Wuthering Heights, in the sort of production design. And so, yeah, I think it's really meaningful, and I'm just so happy to be here.
My dream as a childhood would to be on somewhere like this, and with that in the background, I've seen all the spotlights before with your old movie stars, with your Mal Oberon, with your Laurence Olivier. This is where it would have, taken place. So it's pretty amazing.
You know, I've never been to a premiere here before. I'm feeling very Hollywood right now. Very lucky to be here. I mean, it's an iconic venue, and I hope people keep coming here to watch movies in the theatre.